Hello traders, before we get into today's lesson, let me introduce myself and share a quick story that might sound familiar to you. My name is Prabhu. Just like many of you, I was once a struggling trader. I remember the early days when I thought trading was just about buying low and selling high. I did enter trades based on random indicators, chase big moves, and let's be honest, blow up my account more times than I'd like to admit. One particular placed a perfect trade, or so I thought. The breakout looked strong, the momentum was there, and I was convinced I did finally crack code. But within minutes, the market reversed sharply, hit my stop loss, and continued in the opposite direction. Sat there staring at my screen, wondering, did the market just play a trick on me? That's when I really realized something. Trading is not just about patterns and indicators. It's about understanding market psychology, how big institutions manipulate price, and how to avoid their traps. Fast forward today, years of studying Elliott wave theory, price action, and market structure, I have developed simple rule, rules-based approach that helps me stay on the right side of the market. Now, I want to share that knowledge with you so you don't make the same mistakes I did. Traders, in part 2, we learned how big players trap retail traders with bull traps and bear traps, right? But now comes the big question, how do we enter trades the right way? Today, I will tell you a story about a locked door and how it how it will help you understand breakouts and pullbacks like a pro. Imagine you are at a huge mansion, you want to get inside, but the main door is locked. You push once, it doesn't open. You push again, still locked. You push a third time, suddenly, boom, the door flies open. This is exactly how breakouts work in the market. When a price is stuck at a resistance level, it tries to break through multiple times. If it keeps getting rejected, it's like a locked door. But when buyers gain enough strength, the price breaks through. Just like when you push hard enough to open the door. This is called a breakout. But here is where most traders go wrong. The fake breakout trap. Let's say you see the door open slightly, you think you can walk right in, but as soon as you step forward, slam, the door shuts in your face. This is a fake breakout. In trading, the market sometimes fakes a breakout, luring traders in only to reverse and hit their stop losses. Now, how do you avoid this? Right? By waiting for a pullback. Now imagine, instead of rushing in, you wait outside the door, a butler appears and says, come in now, it's safe. That's your perfect entry. In trading, a pullback is when the price breaks out, then comes back to retest the level before continuing. Smart traders wait for a pullback before entering. This gives a better entry price and reduces risk. So summary, breakouts happen when price breaks a strong level, like pushing a locked door. Fake breakouts trap traders who enter too early. Pullbacks give the best entry, just like waiting for the butler to open the door. Traders, in part 1, we learned how to identify market structure, and in part 2, we covered trend reversals and institutional traps. Now, in part 3, we will go deeper into advanced trading strategies, including how to trade market structure with breakout and pullback strategies, the best entry and exit techniques, how to use support and resistance zones effectively. By the end of this section, you will know exactly when to enter and exit trades with confidence. So let's dive in. Strategy 1, breakout trading strategy. A breakout occurs when price breaks above resistance or below support with momentum. But not all breakouts are real. Some are traps. Here is how to trade them safely. Step 1, identify a key level of support or resistance. Step 2, wait for a strong breakout with high volume. Step 3, enter on the first retest of the broken level. Step 4, place your stop loss below the previous structure. Step 5, target at least 2 times your risk for a high reward trade. Tip is, if a breakout happens with a low volume or a weak momentum, wait for confirmation before entering. Example, imagine price is trading inside a range. If it breaks above resistance and retests that level as support, that's a strong buy signal. So, mistakes to avoid, most traders enter immediately on the breakout, but smart traders wait for the retest for a safer entry. Strategy 2, pullback trading strategy. The best trades happen after a pullback, not at extreme highs or lows, right? Here is how to trade pullbacks effectively. Step 1, identify a strong trend, upward or downtrend. 2, wait for price to pull back to a key support or resistance zone. Step 3, look for confirmation with price action pin bar, engulfing candle, etc. Step 4. Enter with tight stop loss below support for buys or above resistance for sell. Step 5. Target at least 2 to 3 times your risk. Tip tip is use Fibonacci retracement 61.8% level or something to find high probability pullback zones. Example, in an uptrend, price makes higher highs and higher lows. Instead of entering at the at the high, wait for a pullback to last higher low and enter there. How to use support and resistance effectively. Support and resistance are the most important levels in trading. Support means a level where price bounces up, buyers step in. Resistance, a level where price drops down, sellers step in. To use them effectively, step 1, identify strong levels on higher time frames like 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. Step 2, wait for price to test the level multiple times. Step 3, look for confirmation with candlestick patterns. Step 4, enter with low risk and high reward. Now tip is, the more times price tests a level without breaking it, the stronger the level it is. Example, if price touches a support level 3 times and rejects it, that's a high probability buy zone. Traders, if this video helped you understand breakouts and pullbacks better, do me a favor. Do me a favor, hit that like button, please. I spend hours analyzing and breaking down these strategies so that you can trade smarter and avoid costly mistakes. Your likes and comments and shares motivate me to keep bringing you a valuable content. And guess what? We are not done yet. In the next part, we will dive into risk management, trade psychology, and the secrets to staying profitable long term. So, if you have not already, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you never miss these game changing lessons. And before you go, tell me in the comments, do you struggle more with breakouts or missing good pullback entries? Let me know, I'm here to help. Let's set a goal. If we hit 100 likes on this video, I will share my personal checklist for perfect trade entries in the next video. Alright traders, see you in part 4. Trade smart, stay patient, and let's win together. Happy trading. Thank you so much.